Hello, welcome to my channel, Jass Graphics. Today, we make this simple and attractive ad for Instagram. So, without more further delay, let's do something creative. First of all, I use pen tool to remove background from this image. It is not difficult to use pen tool to remove the background. Only disadvantages, it takes a little more time. But, for the accuracy and good results, we use pen tool. Now, I am going to increase the speed of video. You can download the images from the link in the description. Then, right-click and click on Make Selection and fill the value of feather, 0 pixel. Then click on Mask. And go to Selection, press and hold Shift button and click on this option. Then, when plus sign appear on the screen, then click on hairs or any other part which you think is not covered in this pic. Then, click on OK when you are satisfied. Then, open a new document of size 1080 by 1080 pixel. It is the size for Instagram ad. You can choose any other size. OK. Then make a new layer. And rename it. OK. Now drag the mask layer into the new document. Then click on Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape in this layer. And give it any desired color. OK. Then, open pen tool and delete its one corner because I want to change it in triangle. OK. Then, I change its color to gradient overlay. Just double click on right side of layer. Then, gradient overlay and choose any two colors. I choose shades of orange color. One is dark and other one is light orange. And, you can see the codes of these colors on the screen. When you get satisfied by color position, then click on OK. Here is a one tip for you. Never decrease opacity of main element of design. Here, this triangle is our main element of our design. You can change the scale of shape as per your space available. Then, move this shape behind the main pic. Press Ctrl or Command T to change the size of pic. Keep in mind to select the same layer for which you want to change the size. Press Ctrl or Command key and click on Triangle layer. Area of triangle gets selected. Then, go to Select, click on Select Inverse. Then, click on Mask of main pic. Select Brush tool. Select black as foreground color. Paint on the arm of the model. Arm will disappear. Then, press Ctrl D to deselect everything. Then, double-click on main pic. And click on drop shadow. And decrease the opacity to 5%. It will give a very cool effect. Then, I add one more pic to give very cool effect to its background. You can download this pic from the link in the description below. Resize this colorful background. When you are satisfied with size, press enter. Then, I move this pic to the bottom of layer panel. It looks cool. You can see how beautiful it looks. Now, make a copy of main pic. And increase its size. I just little rotate it so that it looks cool. OK. But it has no arm. I will regain it. Just select the mask of this layer. Click on brush tool. And when the foreground color is white, then paint the arm. It will appear on the screen. Then go to image adjustment and click on black and white and press OK. Then move this pick behind the main pick and change its blend mode to color burn. You can also try different blend modes. If you like any other blend mode, please pick that and decrease the opacity of this pick so that it does not decrease impression of main pick. Okay. Now, because it is add, then I just write flat 40% off near the right bottom corner. I am using Gotham font for this purpose. You can also choose any other font. But if you do not know how to choose font, then always prefer Gotham or Helvetica font. But never use default font, which are already present in Photoshop. Draw a rectangle and give it any color which you want. But always try to prefer those colors which are already in the image. I choose light orange color. And type buy now. But it will not appear because of same color as the rectangle have. And now I change its color to white. Okay. Now make some copies of this triangle and place them here and there. It gives the unique effect to our poster. Press Ctrl T when the bounding box appear on a screen. You can change the direction of triangle. Then I make a more new layer and draw a rectangle and give it a blue color. I choose this color because I want to make the background little lighter. I think it's too much bright, which does not give overall good appearance. Now, I change its blend mode to highlight and decrease its opacity. Then, again I make new layer and type the tagline of Nike. Just do it. Then, increase its size. And always try to choose the color of font, white, black or gray. If you want any other color of font, then please only choose that color, which is already in the poster. Never choose too many colors in one poster. Just move it little down. Then, I take Nike logo JPG. And it is of black color. But I don't want black color in font or logo. So, I will convert it into a white color. Now, it looks good. So, you can see how easily we make this cool and beautiful poster. If you have any query, please ask in comment section. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.